Hey everyone, welcome to my website, Fashion Guru. This is my homepage. It gives you a little bit about what is Fashion Guru and who we are. Um, my social media is also on the homepage too, the Twitter page, and then the little Instagram icon that leads you to our Instagram page. I have my contact page. If you need to contact me, you can send me an email. This is my email up here. And then you just fill out this little form right here. This is my poster with my QR code. This QR code leads you to the social media. We have the About Me page. This just tells you a little bit about who I am and why I chose to make this website. And then I have some pictures of me and some of my favorite outfits that I wore. I have my FAQ page that also has my infographic on it. The questions that I put on the infographic are ones that people genuinely ask a lot. So take a look at this. And then if you still have any questions, please fill out the form on the contact page. I have my reference page, which cites where I get the pictures from that are not of me. And then I have a casual outfit board that shows you some of the casual outfits you can wear, no matter, what the event is. And then there's a little description underneath the pictures of what the outfit consists of and maybe where to buy it. It just depends if I remember where I bought that certain clothing item. But yeah, if you need some good ideas, definitely check out the boards and hope you enjoy.